Hey everyone, it's Megan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than my last few videos because those were vlogs. Today I will be doing a tutorial. Yeah, I'm deciding to go back to my roots. Can you see it? Okay. Baduy, ba't ganun ako? The reason why I decided to do a hair tutorial for this video is because a few years ago, I uploaded a how-to on curling your hair using a flat iron, and until today, I still get questions about what other hairstyles you can do with a flat iron. And yes, also since that video went up, I'm still using the same flat iron actually, so I haven't bought any additional hairstyling tools. I have also discovered and realized that I can also do waves or a wavy, beachy, wavy hairstyle using a flat iron. I don't know if I described it right, but I will just post a photo and you guys know what I mean. So if you want to learn how to do that hairstyle, then first off, you need to subscribe to my channel. Yes you do. No, I'm kidding. Subscribe if you want to. Before I get started with the video, I am using natural light, so if the light kind of changes or the sun goes in and out during the video, please excuse that. Anyway, I don't want to make this intro too long anymore. If you guys are interested to learn how to create beach waves or hair waves using a flat iron, then just keep watching. Alright, it's time to create some waves. So what I have here is a Philips Selfie straightener, and this straightener doesn't have any heat settings, so I will only need to switch it on, and then the light is on, in order for me to heat my hair or to apply heat to my hair. Now, I've also gotten this question quite a lot in my last video, and yes, you ideally would want to apply heat protectant before using any heat tools on your hair. I have already done that, so I wouldn't be able to show you guys. If you have seen my video on how to curl your hair using a flat iron, then you already know that I only use hair ties to section my hair. If you guys have like hair clamps or hair clips that you prefer to use to section your hair, then that's fine. For me personally, what I like to do is to section my hair like so. I start with the lower bottommost part of my hair, and then I just divide it at the back. Sometimes I will use another hair tie just to make sure that the other side of the hair stays in place. And then I start working on one side. What I have is a big section of hair, and I will just get smaller sections to work on. And with my flat iron, I begin to create waves. So first thing I do is I iron it upwards. I move the iron upwards and then slightly move it lower down the hair, and then I iron it downwards, or I move the iron inwards towards me and move it lower down the hair, and then iron it upwards again, or move the iron upwards again and then lower. And I usually like to end this with the iron away from my face so that I get this wavy hairstyle. And I work with another section. So clamp the iron and move it upwards and twist it towards you, and then upwards and downwards, and lastly upwards. There. I put the hair to one side. When it comes to sectioning your hair, this is entirely up to you. I do recommend working in sections. So up next, working slowly in sections, going higher, I will create another section of hair. With this hairstyle, it does take longer to create waves than if you were to use a clamp. So if you have those like wave clamps, then obviously I would suggest that you just use it, because it does take such a long time to create waves with just a flat iron. But if you're patient enough and don't really want to splurge on another hair tool or hair product, then definitely try this out. So I just continue to do this away from my face and towards my face motion with the flat iron as I slowly slide it down my hair. Alright, sorry guys, I don't know at what point the camera switched off. I'm almost towards the top of my head, and this is the point where I decide where I want to section or where I want the partition of my hair to be. So I think for this hairstyle, I'm gonna be doing a side partition. That means I only have this section and this one more section left for the left side, and then I'll start working on the right. My right, maybe your left, I'm not sure. Of course, the waves you create with a flat iron is not going to be all similar or symmetrical because you are manually creating it yourself. So don't be too hard on yourself if they don't look similar. I think that actually makes it look a bit even more natural. Obviously, I'm not gonna do waves on my hair, on my bangs. That's just weird. All right. Alright, and there you have it. Beach waves using a flat iron. Of course, don't forget to switch off your flat iron after using. And if you want the hairstyle to stay on your hair longer, feel free to use hairspray or mousse or whatever your usual products are. That's it. I think my time is up. The sun has finally set and we are running out of natural light. I hope you guys learned something from this video and found it helpful. And if you did, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button so that you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. Please tag me if you do this hair tutorial, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye!